about backstitch. Backstitch is a stitch that used to be used a lot when it came to making clothes. It's a stitch where if you break a piece of the thread, the whole thing won't fall to pieces, you'll just lose the piece of thread that you've broken. If you want to sew a backstitch, start off as you usually would. Make a stitch. Come back out a stitch further on. But then, rather than going forwards like a running stitch, you're going to go back through the point that you came out of before to create a line. To come out, go ahead like you would with a running stitch. And once again, you're going to go back through the point that you came out of. This should create a joint line of stitches. And that's one. And there you have it, backstitch. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to give it a thumbs up or comment. Don't forget to subscribe for more content, and I will see you again next week.